Burger King's Vanilla Shake and Dairy Queen's Blizzard Extra Large are two popular frozen dessert options, each with unique characteristics. The Vanilla Shake from Burger King is a classic blend of vanilla ice cream and milk, served in a tall, frosty glass. It's a simple, creamy treat with a rich vanilla flavor. On the other hand, Dairy Queen's Blizzard Extra Large is a signature dessert known for its distinctive blend of vanilla soft-serve ice cream mixed with creamy ice cream toppings, such as Oreo pieces or M&Ms, in a thick, creamy texture. Both are popular choices for those seeking a sweet, indulgent treat, but their differences lie in their textures and the inclusion of additional toppings in the Blizzard.